Guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today is about kitties. They're so cute. I love cats. And I will introduce you to the family. This is Pinecone? Yeah, that's a good girl. This is Pinecone. This is oh, you saying hi? Moynihan. No, she does not like it. It's so cute. Look at that little face. Can you say hi? Okay. And I have a very big surprise. Boom. This one is going to fall. It is a kitten. See, these guys are only a few days old, and they're already the cutest babies in the whole wide world. Oh, sorry. Oh, I love kittens. They're so cute. Okay. And that all black one, we don't really have a name for it. I just call him Shadow, because he looks like a shadow. And that is my cat. His name is Sam Squanch, and that is my dog, and that's my other dog. But we have a lot more cats than this, and I'm gonna come back over here. And this is where I'm going to end my video. So please subscribe if you want to see more little kitties. See, look how cute. Look how cute they are. They're so cute. So if you want to see more of this, be sure to subscribe, leave a like on this video, and ring the bell for more notifications. If you want to see more kitties, puppies, activities, maybe DIYs, you never know. This is a channel of possibilities. So please subscribe for these little kitties, because they're so cute. Yeah, you're cute. And hopefully, and subscribe for that guy to get used to people, and for her to be the best mother on earth. She is the mother of these cute little things. And let her be a better mother in the future. And let him be a good boy. Say hi. Can you say bye, Squanchy boy?